Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stepping by here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, a feature hug to you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use apple cider vinegar to get rid of blackheads. Blackheads are a common problem faced with people with oily skin. So if you have oily skin, you are more prone to have blackheads. Blackheads occur when the pores are clogged as a result of excessive sebum. So when there's an excessive production of sebum on your skin, or your skin is clogged, your pores is clogged, this leads to blackheads. So if you have blackheads and you've been wondering for a natural way to get rid of that, don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do that. If you'd like to see that, you have to keep on watching the rest of this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so. Click on that subscribe button down below. Turn on your bell icon so as to be notified each time a new video comes up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and of course share this video to anyone who you think has blackheads. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you guys a side note you need to put into consideration while making use of this remedy. So make sure you watch this video up until the end. Let's get right into mixing this remedy together. Our first ingredient for this is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is rich in bioactive components like garlic acid, caffeic acid, acetic acid. This is made through a fermentation process, which is long and slow. ACV acts as a natural detoxifier. It has antiseptic and astringent property, hence free of harsh chemicals. It leaves the skin supple and glowing without any damage. So this is our first ingredient. Baking soda will remove all bacteria and bad odor. It is a very good exfoliating agent that will help to remove all dead skin cells and tanned layer. So since I've told you guys the benefits of all our ingredients, I'm just going to start mixing these ingredients all up together. So in a clean bowl, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my baking soda. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of my apple cider vinegar. And so I'm just going to stir this. This remedy is very, very easy. Literally anyone should be able to do this. So I'm just going to give this a very good and nice stir. So I'm literally done stirring this and mixing this all together. This remedy is very, very easy. At this point, our remedy is ready to be used, and I'm just going to tell you guys how to use this on your face. Okay guys, so that is how to make that remedy. For you to use this, all you have to do is to apply this on the affected area. So let's say you have blackheads on your nose. Apply this on your nose and allow it to sit for 20 minutes or until it is completely dry. Once it's dry, you rinse your face with a mild soap and a lukewarm water. Repeat this process at least 4 times in a week. I'm going to give you guys a side note. Apple cider vinegar is a natural ingredient, but it has some acidic components in it. So make sure you don't apply this around your eye area because it can lead to a burning sensation around there. Another point to put into consideration is that apple cider vinegar is a drying product. So make sure once you rinse this remedy off your face, follow it up with a moisturizer. Another point is that you should make sure you get the unfiltered and unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Make sure you get the one that has mother written in it, like the one I used, the exact one I used for this video. I hope this video has been informative and helpful to you, and if it has, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell icon right beside the subscribe button. That's where you'll be notified each time there is a new upload. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, and also if you know anyone who has blackheads, don't forget to share this video with that person. Until I come your way next time, I'm your host, Okonkwo. Bye guys.